Hi, little babies. Good morning. Oh, yeah, you gotta have the yawns. Hi, little baby. Hi. Hi. Oh, we're still sleeping over here. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, you gonna get up and go for a walk around? Yeah. Hi. How you looking at Mama? Mama's out here eating. Yeah. Hi, little tiger tail. You're kind of wobbly. Yeah, you want to walk, but you fall over. Hi, baby. Mama's eating all the food. You're not ready to get up yet? You're grumpy like Daddy when Daddy gets up. Yeah, I get it. You guys in the back, you're just chilling. Yeah, it's not time for you to get up yet. Okay, well, you go back to sleep then. You're gonna go back to sleep? Now you're gonna get up and walk around. Okay.